morning to one and all. So in previous class, you have learnt about what is refraction, and we discussed the laws of refraction by two activities. This is about in previous class you have learnt. So please, in previous class, we are not discussing the activity with video because of that video not played in previous class. Today I show this. I show that video, two videos to you. First of all, so here, first of all, you know what is refraction. Everyone knows that. But here in refraction, what happens? That is important. When light is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Yes, towards the normal. This is the first case. Please observe that one. And in second case, when the light travels from denser to rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. These are yes. These are the two concepts are that we discussed in previous class. By that, now I demonstrated these two activities with the video. Ilyas sir, post ఇవ్వండి సార్ లేదా షేర్ చేయాలా నేను సార్ ఓకే సార్
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. In previous class, we discussed about the Snell's law experiment. Here in this video, you observe that when the light is travels from rarer medium to denser medium, what happened? It bends towards the normal. Yes. So now you observe that one here. This is the Snell's law. For that purpose, you need one pro-circle and a semicircular glass slab. Okay. Now kept this one at an interface. That means where the two medias are separated. You kept that one. Now laser light, take laser light. Now you have to put that one at 0 degrees. That means at normal. There is no deviation. Now increase the angle of incidence. Please observe that angle of incidence is I. Increase that angle of incidence I. So here, suppose for example, if you take 15 degrees, then angle R is equal to 10 degrees. That means less than. And if you observe again 20 degrees, here you observe 15 degrees, 25, 15. So again, if you observe that one here, if you take, if you increase the angle of incidence here, then here you observe that the light is bending towards the normal side, but here what is the angle R? So here angle I is greater than angle R. Okay, so because of the light is traveling from air to glass slab. Air is a rarer medium and the glass slab is a denser medium. So here if we calculate the I values and R values, then we find the sin I by sin R. Okay, the sin I by sin R gives one constant value. That constant value is known as the refractive index of the medium, second medium. What is the second medium here? Glass slab. So this value, the sin I by sin R, gives the or is the constant value. That constant value is known as the refractive index of the second medium. What is the second medium here? Glass. So yes, so we can find the refractive index of the glass by using this experiment. Okay, so please observe here, if we take the angle of incidence, now it is nearly 80, but here what is that angle, or what is the refractive angle of refraction? What is that? 40 degrees. So here angle I is greater than angle R in this case. This is the first one. Okay. Now this is the first video that related. Now the second video, please observe that one here. Yes. Now here, if the light is traveled from denser medium to rarer medium, here I take denser medium is water and rarer medium is air. Okay. So now we find the refractive index of water. Okay. So please please note down here the light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. If light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, what happens? It moves away from the normal. Yes, away from the normal. Now you observe this activity. So first of all, you take one pro disc. Okay, one pro circle. Okay, okay. First of all, one metal disc you take first one, and after that take a protractor and make some angles. Okay, 10, 20 like that. Okay. Now you have ready to a protractor. That means now you take two straw pipes. Okay. Now fix these two pipes, straw pipes at a center. Now adjust the first one. That is, I took here the 10 degrees. Angle I is equal to 10 degrees and immerse in water. Then what do you observe from the? Then it appears like a straight line. Then adjust the blue one. Blue pipe can be adjusted. Now adjust this one, again one. Now you have to draw this I values and R values. You measure the I value and R value. Okay. So okay, repeat this process with the different incidence of angles. So every time you know that angle I is less than angle R. That means angle of refraction is more than the angle of incidence. So here also, if we take the sin I by sin R, then it also gives the refractive index of the water. Okay, it is also constant with different angles of incidence. Okay, so this is also very important activity. But here one precaution is there. Don't take the incident angle above 48 degrees. Okay, here I give one clue, one precaution to you. I told one precaution to you. Okay, I told one precaution. What is that precaution here? Don't take the angle of incident is not more than the 48 degrees. ఎందుకు అనేది మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాను, మీతోనే ఆన్సర్ రాబడతాను. ఎందుకు తీసుకోకూడదు అనేది ఇప్పుడు మీతోనే చెప్పిస్తాను. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, this is the activity which is related to the air is light is travel from denser medium to rarer medium. Then the what is that? The refracted ray moves away from the normal. Move away from the normal means the angle is increased. That means angle R is greater than angle I. లేదా దాన్ని ఇంకా మనం ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు? Angle I is less than or angle R. Okay, so these are the two activities, very important activities here. So please observe these pictures here. So in the first picture, light is traveled from rarer medium to denser medium. Observe the angle of refraction. And here the light is traveled from denser medium to rarer medium, that is air. Rarer medium is air. Observe that one, it moves away from the normal. Okay, so now you do this activity. From this activity you can say that here, please observe these three. What are the three rays here? One is incident ray, second one is normal ray, and the third one is refracted ray. So if you observe these three rays, where are these three rays? They are lies in the same plane. They lies in the same plane. Okay, so please observe this one. This is the first law of the refraction. This is the first law of refraction, not reflection. Mana lesson e refraction in. So what is the first law of refraction here? What is that? Incident ray, normal ray and refracted ray. These three are lies in the same plane. మూడు ఒకే తలంలో ఉన్నాయా లేవా? ఇవి కనబడుతున్నాయా లేదా మనకు?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the first law. And the second law, very good. Now we go to board. Board కావాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Yes. Now observe the second law here. What is that? That means here ఎవరైనా అడ్మిట్ ఉన్నారేమో చూస్తాను, ఒక్క నిమిషం. పిల్లలు అప్పో చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు, సారీ అమ్మా. ఓకే, okay. Now here in first case you observe that angle I is greater than angle R. In second case angle I is less than angle R. Okay, these are the two cases that you observe that one. Now you have to observe that one, the second law of refraction. ఇంకా అడ్మిట్ అవుతున్నారు, ఒక్క నిమిషం అమ్మా. So here when you observe that one, what is the formula for refractive index? Sin I by sin R. The sin I by sin R is a constant value. This value tells about the what is that? The refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. Antena? Refractive index is denoted by what is the letter refractive index? Moshmita, what is the refractive index? Which letter is denoted by the refractive index?
N, sir.
Very good. So here we can write as N21. N21 means the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium.
First medium.
Yes. So what is that N21 formula? What is the N21 formula?
Speed of light in medium by speed.
Very good. What is the which medium? Which medium? Which medium? Please mention that one. Speed of light in
Vacuum.
speed of light in. Here two mediums are there. First, here two mediums are there. First medium and second medium. What is that?
Second medium by first medium.
Vacuum.
Yes, very good. Second medium by first medium. That is N2 by N1. N2 means refractive index of the second medium. What is the refractive index of second medium? Refractive index formula is N is equal to C by
B.
Very good. N is equal to C by B. Here N2 ఉంది. N2 అంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు V2 పెట్టుకోవాలంతే. C is common because of the speed of the light in vacuum. So C by N2. N2 means ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తున్నప్పుడు V2. Very good. By N1. What is the refractive index of the first medium? C by very good. C by V1. So here C cancel. Then what happened? Or if you know that itla kuda cheyochu, C by V2 into C by V1 reciprocal. C by V1 reciprocal అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? V1 by C. Yes, very good. So here C cancel. Here C cancel. Then what we get here? What we get here?
V1 by V2.
Very good. V1 by V2. Okay. So here,
V2.
please observe that one here. Sin I by sin R is equal to, we can write as N2 by N1. Please note down in your notebook. Sin I by sin R is equal to N2 by N1. Or ఇంకా ఏం రాయొచ్చు దీన్ని మనం? ఇంకా ఏం రాయొచ్చు చెప్పండి?
V1 by V2.
Very good. V1 by V2. Please note down. V1 by V2. Okay, so here sin I by sin R is equal to N2 by N1. Is it? Now cross multiply చేయండి అమ్మా, ఏమవుతుంది? N1 into sin I is equal to N2
into sin R.
sin R. Please note down this one also, very very important. This is called as Snell's law. What is that? Snell's law.
Snell's
Very
law.
very important. Please note down. Snell's law ni ఇలా అయినా చెప్పొచ్చుమ్మా, లేదా sin I by sin R is equal to N2 by N1 అన్నా చెప్పొచ్చు, లేదా V1 by V2 అన్నా చెప్పొచ్చు, లేదా sin I by sin R is equal to constant అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. Sin I by sin R is equal to constant. What is that constant? What tells about the constants here? The refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. So ఇది నాకు నేను నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ అడుగుతాను. Please note down these points, very important. Sin I by sin R is equal to N21 is equal to N2 by N1. N2 by N1 ను మనం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసి చూపించాను, అవునా? So finally we get V1 by V2. Okay, please note down this one. So this is the second law of the refraction. Very very important for 2 marks question. State the laws of refraction. Okay, now I'll share that one. Yes. So here laws of refractions are 2. Here the first one is the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of 2 transparent media at the point of incidence. They are lie in the same plane. మీరు సింపుల్ గా రాయాలంటే the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal or lies in the same plane at the interface of 2 media అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Next, what we observe here, the second one is very important. During refraction, the light follows Snell's law. What is that Snell's law? That is sin I by sin R is equal to constant. This can be also written as N1 sin I is equal to N2 sin R. Okay, so ఈ లా మీకు అర్థమైందమ్మా ఇప్పుడు? సో ఇక్కడ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఊరికే డైరెక్ట్ ఇచ్చేసాడు, N1 sin I is equal to N2 sin R అనేసాడు. కాబట్టి అది ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే sin I by sin R is equal to what is that? Refractive index of the second medium. Yes, very good. N21. N21 means N2 by N1. N2 by N1 means refractive index of the second medium by refractive index of the first medium. Refractive index అంటే ఏమి? C by V1. C by V1 by N2 means C by V2 by N1 అంటే C by V1. So C cancel అయితే V1 by V2. సో అది కూడా రాయొచ్చమ్మా. సో ఆ V1 by V2 ను గుర్తు పెట్టుకొని ఉండండి. Now we discuss very very important topic, total internal reflection, not refraction. Total మన లెసన్ ఏమో refraction, మళ్ళీ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సార్? ఓకే, దానికోసం మీరు first of all you observe this activity. Again I mentioned that one. So first of all you take one crow circle here. Now you take a semicircular glass slab now kept at the interface. Now you take laser light. Observe this one here. Observe this one here. Now I pass the light at 0 degrees. Is it?
Yes, sir.
0 degrees అయినా నార్మల్ దగ్గర పెట్టాను కదమ్మా లైట్.
Yes, sir.
Yes. అప్పుడు రీఫ్రాక్షన్ చూడండి. What is the angle of refraction here?
It's also zero.
Yes, give. Is it correct or not? First of all, you give the answer. Yes, what is that value?
No deviations.
No deviation. Very good. No deviation. I asked what is the angle of refraction?
0 degree.
Very good. Yes, 0 degrees. It is a 0 degrees because of there is no deviation at the interface of the point. Okay, now I increase the angle. Okay, that means angle of incident is increasing. Now I ask Pushpalata, here the light is transferred from one medium to another medium. Which medium to which medium the light is transferred here?
Sir, denser medium to rarer medium, sir.
Very good. Denser medium to rarer medium. Denser medium, what is the denser medium here, Pavani? Or what is the denser medium here?
Glass, sir.
Very good, glass. What is the rarer medium here?
Air, sir.
Yes, very good. You observe the refractive angle of refraction here. Please be careful here. Now I increase the angle of incident here. Please observe here. Now I increase the angle of refraction. Okay, so please observe that one. Angle of incident is now 10 degrees. Okay, but what is the angle of refraction here?
15 degrees, sir.
Yes, that means it is more than the angle of incident. Is it?
Yes,
Is it?
sir.
Angular ఎక్కువగా ఉందా లేదా?
Undi, sir.
ఉంది. ఉంది అంటే అర్థం ఏమి?
It is away from the normal.
Yes, it moves away from the normal. Okay, now please observe here. Now I increase the more angle of incidence. Now I kept nearly 20 degrees. 20 degrees. Okay, please observe here. At 30 degrees, please observe here. At 40 degrees, please observe here. So what happened here? The angle of refraction increases, but 42, 43 nearly the angle of incident went 42 and 43. What happened here? Yes, please observe here. What do you observe here? At one point, at one angle, the refracted ray is grazes at the interface. అర్థమైతుందమ్మా? ఇంటర్ఫేస్ లైన్ ఉంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనం గ్లాస్ స్లాబ్ పెట్టిన లైన్ దగ్గరికి ఖచ్చితంగా అక్కడ వచ్చి ఉండిపోతుంది చూడండి. సో at what angle that the angle of refraction is coincide or grazes with the interface. ఓకే, అంటే ఇక్కడ అప్పుడు యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా? ఇప్పుడు కాదు, అట్ సర్టెన్ పాయింట్ వద్ద మీకు చూపించాను ఇప్పుడే. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి కొంచెం. ఎస్, చూడండి. ఎక్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉంటుంది యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా? నో 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 అమ్మా, అట్ ద ఇంటర్ఫేస్ అంటున్నా నేను. దీన్ని వీడియోలో కాకుండా ఇంకొక రకంగా చూపిస్తాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం. సో ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ వన్, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. సో హియర్ the light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium at some angle. Here C అనేది పెట్టాను మీకు చూడండి, యాంగిల్ C అనేది పెట్టాను చూడండి వాటర్ లో. సో ఇప్పుడు what is the angle of refraction here?
90 degrees.
Very good, 90 degrees. 90 degrees అంటే మీకు రెడ్ కలర్ లైన్ ఎక్కడ కనబడుతుందమ్మా? ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఆ రెడ్ కలర్ లైన్? 90 degrees ఇక్కడిది నేను అనేది యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ది
Interface.
ఎక్కడ? వెరీ గుడ్ అమ్మా, వెరీ గుడ్. ఎస్, కరెక్ట్. అట్ ద ఇట్ గ్రేజెస్ అట్ ది interface between the two mediums where the place with the separating the two medias. Okay, so here when at what angle? Here ఒక యాంగిల్ పెట్టాను నేను. What is the angle here? C.
90 degrees.
No. What is the angle incidence here? The C. Here I mentioned the C. Okay, so at what angle? Please listen here. At what angle? Here the light, the refractive, the angle of refraction grazes with the interface. Please observe that one. That means the angle of refraction is 90 degrees. Then the angle of incidence ఉంది కదా, ఆ యాంగిల్ ఏమంటారంటే క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్ అంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? క్రిటికల్ యాంగిల్. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా. సో క్రిటికల్, ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఎందుకు నేను 48 degrees తీసుకోకూడదు అని చెప్పాను వాటర్ లో చేసేటప్పుడు ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ లో? ఎందుకు తీసుకోకూడదు? సో మీకు అది నేనే చెప్తానమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే ఇది లైవ్ లో ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసి చూపిస్తే ఇంకా బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. బట్ నేను ఒక అదే వీడియోని కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ ఈ వీడియోలో ఏం చేస్తానంటే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ను సి దగ్గర అయినప్పుడు మీకు కరెక్ట్ 90 degrees దగ్గర వస్తుంది. ఇంకా పెంచితే ఇఫ్ ద యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే ఏమవుతుందో ఎవరైనా చూసి చెప్పండి. అగైన్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ వీడియో. నౌ ప్రో సర్కిల్ తీసుకున్నాను. నౌ వన్ సెమీ సర్క్యులర్ గ్లాస్ స్లాబ్ పెట్టాను. నౌ pass the laser light through the glass slab. Now observe the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Okay, if you increase the angle of refraction, then angle of refraction is also increases, but here angle I is less than angle R అనేది గుర్తిస్తారు. But at what particular angle, the angle of refraction is 90 degrees. That angle is known as the critical angle. If suppose if the angle of incidence is above critical angle, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు నేను 43 కంటే కూడా ఎక్కువ పెట్టాను. వాటర్ కి అయితే 48 చెప్పాను, 48 అబౌవ్ తీసుకోకూడదు అని చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేశానంటే 43 కంటే ఎక్కువ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మీరు ఏం గమనించారు? Is it the are you observe the angle of refraction? Are you observe the refracted ray in the rarer medium?
No sir.
లేదు. మీకు ఇక్కడ చూడండి మా రేరర్ మీడియం లో మీకు ఎక్కడ కూడా రిఫ్రాక్టెడ్ రే కనపడలేదు. మరి ఏం జరిగింది? No deviation. ప్లీజ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ 7th క్లాస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గుర్తుకు తెచ్చుకోండి. మీరు మామూలుగా మిర్రర్ పైకి వేసినప్పుడు అద్దం ఏమవుతుంది? మిర్రర్ పైకి మీరు లైట్ వేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? Yes, very good Pushpalata. It bounces back. So here also, when at a certain angle, that is called as a critical angle, when we take above the critical angle, here angle of incident is we take here above the critical angle. What happened here? The light does not enter into the rarer medium. But what happened here? It bounce back return. Bounce back return means what is the name of the process? Bounce back. Very good. Yes, very good. Correct.
Reflection sir.
Reflection. So this process is known as total internal reflection. This process is known as total internal reflection. So total internal reflection ఎప్పుడు జరుగుతుందంటే when light travels from denser media to rarer media. Okay, first condition. But the second condition, what is that? If the angle of incident is greater than the critical angle. If the angle of incident is greater than the critical angle. So what is critical angle? What is critical angle? If we take suppose one angle here, angle of incident, at what angle of incidence the angle of refraction is 90 degrees. 90 degrees means it grazes at the interface. Okay, that is known as critical angle. Critical angle కంటే కొంత ఎక్కువ తీసుకున్నా కూడా లైట్ మీరు యాంగిల్ వెంటనే ఏమవుతుంది? It not deviated, but it also does not enter into the rarer medium. Rarer medium లోకి వెళ్ళడం లేదు. వెళ్ళకుండా ఏం జరుగుతుంది? It bounce back return. Bounce back returns means it is called as reflection process. So here when we take the incidence of angle of incidence above the critical angle, then the light bounce back return. This phenomenon is known as total internal reflection. Very very important amma. Total internal reflection. Okay, are you understand this one? Total internal reflection.
Yes, sir.
ఆల్రెడీ 5 minutes ఉంది అప్పుడే. ఈ రోజైనా అవుతుందో లేదో మా యాక్టివిటీస్ ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ చేసినా కూడా కావడం లేదు. వాట్ అబౌట్ రిమైనింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్? అన్మ్యూట్ కొందరినే చేసాము డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వల్ల. ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఇఫ్ యూ కాంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ప్లీజ్ టైప్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్, type your message in the chat box. Okay, so here now we find the critical angle formula. Okay, so please everyone, please observe here. In textbook there is some clumsy is there now, but I simply explain that one. Please observe here. Yes, yes. Now you take Snell's law. What is Snell's law? Pushpalata, please once again. నేను అందుకే అది రాసుకోమని నేను చెప్పాను. N1, very good, N1 sin I is equal to
N2 sin R.
very good. This is the Snell's law. ఏమ్మా 60 నుంచి 50 కి పడిపోయారు మళ్ళీ అటెండెన్స్ 4 కొట్టేసిందా? ఓకే 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 అమ్మా వదిలేండి. సో హియర్ ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్